How amazing is this car? This is the Range Rover Vogue, but not just any ordinary Vogue. This is the Overfinch. This has got almost £34,000 worth of extras. A lot of it is a full carbon fibre body kit, front, rear, upgraded wheels, but fundamentally the car is one owner from new, 29,000 miles, 3-litre diesel, and today with the live pricing, it's 57,990, best value in the country. This car with the full kit on is well over £100,000. So someone's going to get a cracking car, a very unique looking car, for almost half the price, and it's brilliant. And remember, it's one owner. I mean, the car's got everything. It's a 2017 67 registration. The Vogues, they have a road presence to start off with. They're big, they're super luxurious, and this one in the Santorini Black just looks super gorgeous. But with all the Overfinch bits on, the Overfinch badging, the full carbon fibre front grille. There is lots of carbon fibre, so I'm going to mention that word just so I can identify what you're getting. The front section there, the inserts in the bumper, carbon fibre again. The full front fog light piece is carbon fibre on each corner. That front bumper is different again. It's not just conventional Vogue bumpers. You've got front rear parking sensors, you've got the normal LED fog lights and the LED second fog light as well. Daytime running lights in there. And then you can't help but notice you've got the 23-inch Orca wheels on this, which is the Overfinch design pattern, and they look superb. They're extremely big, but on a car this big, it looks brilliant. You've then got the red brake calipers. All the atlases are done in high gloss black, like the window surround on the sun protection glass. You've got the fully tilt and sliding panoramic roof. Comfort access, so as you walk up to the car, it unlocks, and as you walk away, you press that, and it locks for you. Because it's one owner and because it's done 29,000 miles, the condition of this is absolutely awesome. The quality of the leather, the armrest, the steering wheel, the dashboard, it's all black on black, so it has a very nice stealthy feel to it all. Being the 67 plate, it's also the facelift model. So if you look at the media screen, it's the more up-to-date, wider lensed, larger screen, very easy to use, all touchscreen. It's absolutely brilliant. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reversing camera, voice control. It's got everything, heated seats, front and rear heated windscreen, this beautiful piano black finish, the Overfinch plaque and the Overfinch carbon fibre gear shifter covering there. Heated steering wheel, the split cubby holes. You've got piano black on the door cards with more cubby holes and the Meridian sound system. Rear heated seats, rear climate control, again the leather in the back seats are brilliant, fully fitted mats front and rear, and if you look up, that sunroof it's brilliant. As you come round the back, you'll notice the rear end, as in the back bumper's completely different. It's got that more aggressive, refined look to it all. Everything's a bit more flared out with the Overfinch exhaust tailpipe coverings and the carbon fibre section as well. The badging with the Overfinch again, automatic tailgate, split tailgate, and you have yourself a massive boot, and I mean huge. You can sit on this, rest on it and change your boots, put what you want on. Underneath you have got a spare wheel, 20-inch wheel on this one I believe, or 21-inch maybe even, 20-inch, brand new, never been used. It's value for money. This car is absolutely stunning. You could get one without the Overfinch for about £5,000 cheaper, I'm very sure. Will it be one owner, full service history? Will it look as good as this? I very much doubt it. Like this spoiler alone, they're not just a few £100. If you Google it, you'll see how expensive all this carbon fibre is. Them wheels are about £6,000. Everything is just, it's a lot of money. You've then got electric seats and memory seats in the driver's side. But this is what I'm talking about, it's super crisp, it still feels like a new car. So when you're buying a car like this, sometimes you think, oh yeah, do I want a used car? But we're going to buy a new for £115,000. Or you get one that feels like new, looks like new, and has loads of extras. The fully digital cockpit there, where navigation gets displayed on there as well. Onboard computer, cruise control. You've got automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, push button start. The centre armrest pops up with more USB and cubby hole there, and this one's also got the fridge in it as well, which is a nice little feature. You're so high up, but it's the look of these cars. You can go anywhere in one of these and still look the part, and it doesn't look like it's over the top because it's done by Overfinch. It's been done correctly. The wheels, the bumpers, the carbon. It doesn't look like you've just gone past an aftermarket place where you just shot loads of cheap bits on it, because it's not. It's very expensive, exclusive looking car. 57,990, a very rare opportunity to own a fabulous motor. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.